Welcome back to the channel. So unfortunately, I cracked the back of my iPhone 14 Pro, and due to that, I do need to put a case back on it. I know that sounds very counterintuitive. If I had a case, it wouldn't have cracked the back, of course. Now that the back is cracked, it looks really bad, and I have to cover it up. So I did end up buying a case. It's by Torras. I don't know how you're supposed to say it, but here's the little design and it's all that stuff. So yeah, it's for the iPhone 14 Pro. It's carbon neutral, and it has some highlights on the back. Built to protect, enhanced touch and grip, best in class durability, ultra slim and sleek design. To be honest, I bought it because it was sleek and it was slim, and that's what I really wanted in a case. So let's get it open. So this is what was inside the case. Just a big plastic tray to hold this in, but let's open this and get it out of the plastic wrap. So that's what it looks like now that it's out the case. Like they're saying, it's pretty slim. Let's see, focus. It's a little bit dark, so, but it's minimal. It has no branding on the outside, which I really like. The branding is inside, and yeah, I mean, looks pretty good. I'll put it on the phone, and then I'm gonna have to use my GoPro to film the outside. But if you want a sleek case that has no branding on the outside, and that's pretty cheap, this I think was like $17. I will link this below. This is how it looks. It does kind of get fingerprints and stuff like that, but overall the case is really nice. Looks pretty good. Don't have much to say about it because it just does the job well, and it's really slim. I will say it only added a few millimeters of thickness to the phone, and it has a nice feel to it. It's very nice. Yeah, not much to say, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you would like one of these, I'll link it in the description and also in the comments. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.